Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Winplus jump start. First, always prioritize safety. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle has a 12-volt lead-acid battery. It's crucial to confirm your jump starter is fully charged. Look for all 4 LED indicator lights to be illuminated. This preparation step is vital for both your safety and the successful operation of the unit. Understanding these initial steps will help you confidently and effectively start your vehicle when needed, ensuring a smooth process from the very beginning. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block or chassis, ensuring it's away from the battery itself. This grounding step is very important. Always double-check that both clamps are firmly attached to prevent any accidental sparking. Proper connection ensures a safe and effective jump start, getting you back on the road quickly. With the cables connected, it's time to start your engine. Turn on your Winplus jump start unit. Then, attempt to start your vehicle for no more than 5 seconds. If it doesn't start immediately, wait at least 1 full minute before trying again. This allows the jump starter to cool down and prevents overheating. Remember, do not attempt more than 3 consecutive starts. Following these guidelines will help protect both your vehicle and the jump starter, ensuring a successful and safe start every time. Once your vehicle's engine is running, it's time to safely disconnect the unit. Always remove the black negative clamp first from the engine block or chassis. Then, carefully disconnect the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. After each use, it is essential to recharge your Winplus jump start unit immediately. This ensures it's always ready for your next emergency. Store the unit in a cool, dry place to maintain its longevity and performance, keeping it prepared for future needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.